Sinsay Cup again, and I'm going to show you some other parts of the river here. This is a swinging bridge. I used to come across here when I was a little kid. I have no idea where my mother was. I actually fell in this river once, and my sister came in and got me. It's pretty dangerous here, but you can see this is quite a little place here. It's across from Mill Street. Our house used to be right over there. And as you can see, they tried to get rid of this bridge. And there was a community effort to take care of this bridge. You can see a lot of people had bought blocks and stuff and bricks and stuff like that to try to keep this bridge, which I'm really glad they did because it's part of the history of Brunswick. But you know, you can see what happens when a community gets together when they really don't want something gone, which I wish they would have done that with the high school, but we tried. But a community effort can do a lot of things, you know. We can't count on our government to help us out. We need to count on ourselves. And believe me, you know, we can do a lot if we just get together and try to bond together and to try to do things that we need to do in this country, especially for our kids. But anyway, this is a perfect example of people getting together to fight a cause to keep this bridge. This is a really cool bridge. This actually swings back and forth, and it makes you a little dizzy. That's the railroad bridge right there. The trains will be going across it again. It's been quite a few years since I've seen the trains go across there, but to my understanding, they will be traveling across it again. At least I hope they will. There's the fort right there that we just came from. Maine's really a beautiful place, and you know, I really enjoy it here. The only thing is the winters are too long, and that's the only thing I don't like about Maine. And you can see down in here the river is really running really fast. I used to catch a lot of fish out of here, and actually I still do, bass, and there's some salmon in here, really good salmon in here, but you can only eat so many because of the mercury inside of the waters because of the paper mill. As a kid, I used to climb up this. We were crazy. You get caught doing that now and they'll put you in jail. The kids actually jump off this bridge, right on the other end down here. In the summertime, you can see the kids going off and jumping off it. You can see a little bleach down there. And that's where they swim. Because the river isn't always this high. Of course, it'd be dangerous for them to do it right now. And I usually come down here and make sure and keep an eye on some of the kids to make sure that they're not going to drown down here. Because, you know, it's really rough down here sometimes, especially when it rains a lot. This tells the history of the bridge. That's a lot of names, isn't it? But that's what a community can do if they get together for a cause. And that's what we all need to do in this world. Is we want something to change, we have to change it ourselves. We can't rely on the government or even the state. We need to change the things ourselves. So we need to do more of that. Well, the Sinsay Cub, take care, and I'll catch you later. And I'll be filming a little bit different part of Brunswick as I go. My karate school is opening out in June. We're going to have a grand opening, so I'll be showing you a lot of pictures of our karate school. But anyway, take care of yourself.